another video. So, got a few things to do today. You may notice I'm in the same jacket as last time, and that's because just another video from the same day. Either way, DC330 Designs have printed me out. The lighting is awful. There we go. DC330 Designs have printed me out these, and these basically fit inside of there like so. So it kind of creates just a white outline around here. Now these aren't for sale. These are actually a free design off of a website. I think it's called Thinkiverse or something like that. And basically it's a 3D printed, or a 3D printing free use website that aren't for sale. So if you ever see the guy or the guys selling these, they shouldn't be selling them, because in theory they have stolen someone else's product, and that is bad. So anyway, he's printed me off these for free, and basically we're just going to pop them in there is the plan. So I've got those. I've also got this. Now this is to fit in there, and I think, although it's not the gloss black, I think that looks very clean, only because obviously the aluminium matches the AC pipe. I think that's an AC pipe. Matches that pipe over there, and obviously matches this pipe, so it kind of just ties little bits in. Obviously the gloss black is very, very nice, but at the end of the day I've always got the option to switch back if I want to, which is the lovely thing about this. You know, if you buy modded car parts, you don't have to get rid of the old stuff. You can just kind of mix and match. And at the end of the day, it's just tape. So I'm going to remove this one, which I think is just held on with tape. I'm pretty sure anyway. And then I'm going to replace it with my car Rambles one. I'm super excited about that. So anyway, that's going on. They're going on. And we need to re-stick my Xeons Online's HID kit. I have noticed, and this is one thing to bear in mind about HID kits, you will lose output. It's going to happen. So as the bulb's lifespan increases, I've had them for probably about a year now, as the bulb's lifespan increases, or decreases I should say, your output will be reduced. So mine have started to be reduced. I have noticed they're not bad at all in any sense. They're still better than every LED I've ever had. But just bear in mind that your HIDs will get dimmer as time goes on. We're talking months, years, and obviously with HIDs, don't switch them on and off really, really quick. You've got to give them time to cool down, otherwise you will once again reduce the lifespan of your bulbs. So bear that in mind. I'm still hoping one day that I get to try out the auto beam kit, especially the 55 watt ones. I really want to see the difference between a 55 watt kit and a 35 watt kit. I'm excited about that, but hopefully one day I get the chance to do that. But either way, we're going to do that today. So we're going to replace the tape on the back here and re-stick it onto the bottom. We're going to try and install these if I can get these fog light surrounds out, and we're going to stick that onto there. And one thing I just want to quickly show you guys, because this is amazing. I can't remember what brand this is. I might leave a link in the description, or just comment if you want this. But look how awesome this is. You get your phone, it opens. Oh, this is hard to do while on camera, I just want to point that out. It grabs it and it charges it. I mean, look at that. Is that not amazing? I think that's amazing. Either way, they're awesome. Just wanted to show you that. So I managed to get the fog surround out, or enough to get my thing in anyway. The actually easiest way to do it is from the inside. Don't know if you guys can see that, but there is normally a tab that comes through here, and there is a tab that comes through that daylight there. If you can push those two out, you can get it out enough. And in theory, I can slot this behind. Let me just set you guys up. One completed. What do we think? With, that's without, that's with. I think I prefer it with. You know what? We're going with. Let's get the other one done. And that's the second one on. So hopefully you guys can now see. Two little surrounds. I actually quite like them. Seeing that I don't have the auto beam ambient rings or anything, I think this is quite a good little in between, shall we say? Once again, maybe one day I'll get ambient rings, who knows. It's obviously a lot of money for me to pay when there's other stuff that I want to be doing to my car at the minute. But yeah, maybe when show season comes, ambient rings, grille lights, who knows. Okay, so I'm now going to start taking this bit off. It is just held on with double-sided tape. Obviously, we want to be very, very careful that I don't snap this. I'm just easing it up little by little. I've got most of it up. Oh, and there we go. That's all up. They just use double-sided tape on the back of this. It's just a piece of thin, bendy acrylic. So yeah, hopefully I should now be able to pop this into that gap, and that looks awesome. Right. So I'm going to try and get some of this tape and glue off, so the residue from the last stuff, reapply some to the back of this, and I'm all good to go. Just now that's all done, we're just going to pop that on there. Just give it a gentle push down. I don't need it stuck down crazy amounts. And that is now on. I'm a huge fan of that. I really, really, really like it. So thank you, Dave, for getting that sorted for me. So I'm going to end the video there. I'm going to do the HID off camera just because it's boring. You don't want to watch me do tape and stuff. But either way, we've done that and we've done these. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. Once again, different video. If you guys want any merch or anything, just check out link in the description. It's all there. carrambles.bigcartel.com. Stickers, new stickers are coming soon, new lanyards, new t-shirts. It's all coming very, very soon. I promise. It might even be released, so go check it out. And if you want anything, just message me. I'm here to help. That is the main reason why I make this channel, is to help you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Second, third. Whatever you want to do. Probably third, right? We'll just get past this side and then I'll boot it. Alright, hold on. It's just spinning, that's just spinning. That was just a massive burnout. That was just like 7k. What? Fuck me, that's how you send pistons through the bonnet, isn't it? Amazing. Well, there you go. Better?